Welcome back to another video. So how you can turn on or turn off your Windows Defender Antivirus in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So I'm using Windows 11. So let's do it. So first of all, open the settings. Okay, settings. When you open the settings, you can search the settings or direct click on settings app. Okay, so here are my settings. You can see left hand side there is an option privacy and security. Click on privacy and security. Now you can see the first option, Windows security. When you click on Windows security, you will redirect to another option. And now you can see here virus and threat protection. Okay, so click on virus and threat protection. It will open a new tab. Okay, so this is the virus and threat protection. You can see it. Okay, so now here by default it's turn on. Okay, so by default it's real time turn on. So here virus and threat protection, manage action. You can click on manage action. Now you can see the real time protection and dev drive protection and cloud delivered protection, automatic sample protection submission. Okay, so there are many things you can turn off here and turn on here. Okay, so this is it. That's the setting you have to turn on or turn off for your real time threat protection. Okay, so I suggest you should turn on, always turn on. Okay, don't turn off these settings because the security is main thing. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next video.